मीरसा क्षेत्र के कुलियन स्थित स्टेफन इंटरनेशनल पब्लिक स्कूल ने शिक्षा के क्षेत्र में एक बार फिर उत्कृष्टता का प्रदर्शन लहराते हुए सीबीएसई की 10वीं व 12वीं बोर्ड परीक्षाओं में 100% परिणाम दिया है। कक्षा 12वीं के अनेक छात्र छात्राओं ने 90 से अधिक अंक हासिल किए हैं, जबकि विषयों में छात्रों ने पूर्ण अंक प्राप्त कर विद्यालयों को गौरवान्वित महसूस करवाया है। वहीं कक्षा 10वीं के छात्र भी पीछे नहीं रहे, जहां अनेक छात्राओं ने 90 से अधिक अंक अर्जित किए और प्रमुख विषयों में टॉपर्स ने फुल मार्क्स प्राप्त किए। विद्यालय की निदेशक श्रीमती सतविंदर सैनी व ट्रस्टी एडवोकेट कुणाल सैनी, प्रधानाचार्य डॉक्टर मंजरी सहगल, उप प्रधानाचार्य श्री श्वेता बख्शी सहित अन्य शिक्षकों ने आज मेधावी छात्र छात्राओं को मुंह मीठा कर उन्हें सम्मानित किया। वहीं विद्यालय परिवार ने सभी सफल विद्यार्थियों को उज्जवल भविष्य की शुभकामनाएं दी और विश्वास जताया कि वे आगे भी इसी तरह सफलता की ऊंचाइयों को छूते रहेंगे।
Handled it well. That is all I can say for that. Per se, and in the absence of all those who are not here, I also intend to thank all those teachers who have been a part of this journey from the very primary stages.
स्कोर किया है, इसमें हमारे स्कूल का काफ़ी ज़्यादा सपोर्ट रहा है और टीचर्स ने भी काफ़ी ज़्यादा मदद की है और 96.8% है। मैं बहुत ही ज़्यादा खुश हूँ इस रिजल्ट से ऑब्वियसली, और मेहनत की थी, बस उसी का दिक्कत।
Verma, and I have scored 96.6%. It has all been possible just because of my teacher's support and self-study. I know this whole journey is difficult, but I know that everyone can do it. It's just that you need to do hard work and always be inspired and motivated.
I'm Jayaswin Kaur, and I'm delighted to share my experience and result with you all today. So I have recently received my CBSE board result and I have secured 95% in it, and I'm the student of Stevens International Public School. First of all, I would like to thank my respected parents who have been a guiding force for me throughout this beautiful journey. I'm grateful to my teachers, all the management, families and friends who have motivated me. This achievement is dedicated to my hard work, enthusiasm and encouragement that is given to me by my school community. Since I have from my past 11 years I am from in this school, so I will thank my all the authorities and my respected teachers who have motivated me for my future endeavors. Thank you.
Maria, and I am a student of Stephens International Public School. I have secured 95% in my 10th CBSE board exams. I gave all the credit to my almighty, my school and my parents who have been a guiding force for me. My plan is to be an NDA officer. So all the credits to everybody who has supported me and guided me to be here. Thank you. Actually, the thing is, I am very spirited for my country, and I want that if I die for my country. So that is the reason I have chosen NDA as my aim.
Singh Morton, and I have recently secured 95.2% in my CBSE board exams. I'm very delighted, and I would like to dedicate this win to my parents, my friends, my teachers who have always supported me and guided me through thins and thicks. I would at last only say talent is always beaten by hard work if talent does not work hard. So please work hard in every stage of your life.
I studied in Stephen International Public School and I have secured 96.4% in CBSE result. I dedicate my all the success to my parents, teachers and to the school.
और मेरे 95.8% आया है। मैंने टॉप किया है। अप्लाइड आर्ट्स में मेरे 100 आया और पॉलिटिकल साइंस में मेरे 99 आया।
और आगे क्या इरादा है?
मेरे टीचर्स ने मेरी बहुत हेल्प की है। मैं अपने पेरेंट्स को क्रेडिट देना चाहूँगी, जिन्होंने मेरे साथ बहुत ज़्यादा हार्ड वर्क किया है, मेरे को हार्ड वर्क करवाया है।
आगे क्या इरादा है?
आगे मुझे KS करनी है, सिविल सर्विसेज के लिए सोच रही हूँ मैं। 95.4%। सर, सेल्फ स्टडी ज़रूरी है अगर आपको स्कोर करना है, और स्कूल वाले टीचर्स की तो मदद है ही है, साथ में सेल्फ स्टडी में
आप किस क्रेडिट कितने परसेंट नंबर आए और क्या
94% in medical.
तो आगे क्या इरादा है आपका?
I will give NEET. हाँ हाँ.
कितनी पढ़ाई करनी पड़ती थी पेपरों के दिनों में और क्या क्या छोड़ना पड़ता था?
पढ़ाई अच्छी करनी पड़ती थी, सब कुछ छोड़ना पड़ा था.
तो इतनी मेहनत करने के लिए क्या क्या करना पड़ता है?
रोज पढ़ो पर थोड़ा पढ़ो, पर पढ़ो अच्छा.
अच्छा
हाँ.
Akshay Sharma, I'm from Stephens International Public School and I got overall 90% and I want to give all the credit to my wonderful teachers. They supported a lot. Pushpinder Kaur and I have achieved 91% in I have chosen both as my subject medical and non-medical, and with the support of my teachers and our institution, I have been in this institution for about past 14 years, and with the help of our teachers and management, without them it would be a tough nut to crack, but they made a piece of cake for all of us, so I really thanks all of them.
My name is Nipun Motan and I have secured 87.4% in this school. As I have been studying in the school since last 14 years, it is a great opportunity to score this much in this school, and my teachers have helped me a lot here and to secure this amount of percentage, and that's it, that teachers have helped a lot here, and thank you.
And I have scored 89.2% in commerce. I give my full credit to my teachers and parents who supported me and motivated me to score these marks. I have studied with more hard work and patience, which helped me to score this much marks, and I have a great opportunity to represent my school. Thank you.
My name is Abhishek Sharma. I am from Stephens International Public School. I scored 93% in non-medical. I am overall non-medical topper, and I will give the credit to my parents and the teachers who give me the right direction. And I am in this school since 8 years and lots of memories in these schools. So it's a special thanks to all of them.
To you, my name is Aryan and I have topped in physical education with 99 score, and with the help of my teachers and the institution and the support of my parents and everyone who has motivated me, I have scored 90% in my non-medical, and I'm the second topper, and I'm very happy because it's a cherry on the top that teachers are very happy with my score. Doesn't matter whatever the checking was, but the thing is that I have worked hard and my path was right. So I'm thankful to everyone.
Namaskar, sir. It is really a proud moment for the Stephens International Public School family that for this wonderful result. This is all because of the tireless effort of the students, the teachers, the parents, the management also. So I thank each and every one, those who were here with the students in their growth, in their welfare. And it is really indeed, we are feeling proud that we had so much dedicated students also and the staff members also. They did not think of whether it is a day or night, wherever and whenever the students required the teachers, the management, everybody was with the students. और हमें बहुत खुशी हुई है इस चीज़ की कि आज हमारा इतना बढ़िया रिजल्ट आया है, और हम एक प्रण लेते हैं कि इतना ही बढ़िया और इससे ज़्यादा बढ़िया हम नेक्स्ट ईयर भी रिजल्ट देंगे.
Public school again has done wonders, and once again we've had 100% result. We've had students who have been with us for good last 10 or 12 years, and now they've finished their studies and completed the board exams with flying colours. We thank all the parents and all the teachers who have been all the round figure and base support for all these students. We are very, very happy what the students have done. It is not a result of one day's work, but all 10 to 12 years that they have been with us. We congratulate all the students and all their parents alike.